Are your customers tired of lengthy forms? Simplify them with conditional logic. So what is conditional logic? Let's understand it with a simple example. Imagine you're making an online cake order form with two options, chocolate cake or strawberry cake. Here's the magic. When someone picks chocolate cake, the form instantly displays all size options, small, medium, and large. But if they go for strawberry cake, it only shows medium and large sizes. This is conditional logic at work, customizing the form based on your customer's choice, creating a smoother, personalized experience. So, when you're building a form, use conditional logic to make it work smarter for both you and your customers. Now, let's put theory into practice. Based on our earlier scenario, you'll make 3 single-choice questions. A cake type choice field with a chocolate cake and strawberry cake options. Make sure to uncheck multiple choices to make it a single choice. 1 cake size drop-downs field with 3 options and 1 single choice field with 2 options. Next, let's set up the conditional logic, which is like asking a question and deciding what to do based on the answer. Here's how. Click Logics in the top left of the form builder. You'll find the New Logic button where you can set up your conditions. Click it. If is like asking a question, and a then is like deciding what to do based on the answer. For instance, if you ask, chocolate cake or strawberry cake, and someone picks a chocolate cake, you can show them all the size choices. You can make it simple by duplicate this setup and changing it for strawberry cake answer. If you have many logics in your form, you can use the filter on the top to keep things organized. Search them by field ID or field label. To see how it works, click Preview and Design. Try making different selections. Form logic makes your form change to show only what's needed, making it easy for users. With conditional logic, you can do many other things too, like jumping to a different question, skipping pages, branching to different questions, setting values, doing calculations, and more. If you want more information, check our user documentation or the FAQ section.